calculus with parametric equations. We know from calculus 1 that the first derivative tells us whether the function is increasing or decreasing. The second derivative tells us whether the curve is concave up or concave down. We know that the first derivative of a parametric equation is dy dt over dx dt. The second derivative is d squared y over dx squared. But this is the derivative of dy dx with respect to x. But dy dx is now dy dt over dx dt. This is the same as the derivative of y prime of t over x prime of t with respect to x. But we can't take the derivative of this because the variable of differentiation of y prime and x prime is t. But using the chain rule, we can take the derivative of the numerator with respect to t and the denominator with respect to t. The denominator is x prime of t. For the numerator, we use the quotient rule. We square the denominator of the numerator. The numerator is the derivative of the numerator, which is now y double prime of t times the denominator x prime of t minus y prime of t times x double prime of t. Simplifying this, we have x prime of t times y double prime of t minus x double prime of t times y prime of t over x prime of t cubed, where x prime of t is the derivative of x with respect to t, y prime of t is the derivative of y with respect to t, x double prime of t is the second derivative of x with respect to t, and y double prime of t is the second derivative of y with respect to t, where x and y are given in the form of parametric equations in terms of t.